Welcome back. You know that we love to eat on this show, especially when it comes to ice cream and our friends from Sub-Zero Ice Cream. But we like to also learn about the science behind it. So a brand new segment coming your way once a month for now, The Science Guy. Please welcome John and Eric from Sub-Zero.
Thank you, Joanne.
Welcome.
Yeah, thank you, Ryan.
How you doing?
Welcome to the show. We're doing great.
Now you guys do this type of presentation at schools, out in the community. You're doing it here today. What's going on?
Wow, we were second to none when it comes to a STEM presentation in the school. So we go out live into schools. We teach science. We do experiments. We teach them the science behind our ice cream, and then lastly, we serve ice cream to everybody. It is
great.
fabulous.
Come on, science and ice cream, what could go wrong?
Yeah.
What could go wrong?
Now you've got Ryan and I in lab jackets. How you feeling?
I feel very esteemed and distinguished, much more than I normally do.
So
And,
official.
Yeah, very elevated. Thank you for
Yeah.
this, guys.
Thank you.
Nice.
What are we doing here?
Well, I never had this many assistants. This is just fabulous. I love all these assistants, but what we're going to show you today is we're going to talk a little bit about how they make liquid nitrogen from nitrogen.
Okay.
So nitrogen comes from the air we breathe. So between nitrogen and oxygen, it represents 99% of the air we breathe.
Wow.
So what's really cool though is people don't realize that the liquid nitrogen comes from nitrogen. So how did they get that? So it's very simple. And I'll give you the simplistic way. So what they do is that they have this machine that extracts the nitrogen out of the air, then goes down through this cold tube using pressure, volume, and temperature. The tube is cooled down or temped down to a negative 300 degrees. As the gas travels through, it liquefies into a liquid format, and boom, we got liquid nitrogen, and it makes awesome ice cream.
Look at that. Well, we'd like to see some of this in action.
Yeah.
So we're gonna
Okay.
follow your lead.
So let me do an experiment real quick.
Okay.
And so let me just show you real quick how we get the liquid nitrogen. So we're right now at STEM presentations, we'll pour liquid nitrogen into our flask here. So what is really nice is you see that it's bubbling.
Yeah.
So when it bubbles, that means it's reached its boiling point. And the boiling point is a negative 321 degrees. So kids are just, and teachers are just flabbergasted on how cool that looks when it gets to that temperature. So I'm going to actually put that into here, and I want to show you what regular tap water, how it interacts with liquid nitrogen.
Okay.
Because when we do STEM presentations, we show a lot of variety of items to show how different things interact with liquid nitrogen. So let me just show you what happens when I pour water into liquid nitrogen.
Okay.
It's
Oh,
crackling.
it's like a cauldron.
Oh, that looks like
Perfect for
Halloween right there.
Yeah.
So this is really cool. So Jillian, just put your hand, don't touch the bowl, put your hand up around there. Is that
Woo.
cold?
Yeah.
Huh? Isn't that awesome?
That
So
is so cool.
So what we just saw is, under the states of matter, we just saw that we had a liquid format changing back into a gas. So this is nitrogen coming off of here.
Wow.
It's really cold. Now, if you notice, I got gloves on
Sure.
because the bowl is probably a negative 300 degrees right now.
It's pretty
a little
chilly. Yeah.
Yeah, a little chilly.
Hey, John, but it's Labor Day weekend. Can we do something bigger than that?
Oh my gosh, I'd love to. Can we show you guys? Can we open up Labor Day in the bank?
Let's do it.
The
Come
answer
on.
is always
let's go.
yes.
Okay, I'm
Mm-hmm.
going to go
I
over
want
here
you
with
guys
that.
put your goggles
Oh,
on.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Put our goggles on.
Here, Ryan.
Safety first.
Safety first.
Safety
That's
first.
right. Okay. Okay.
Okay. What do we have here?
I was saying, you come on this side. Follow me.
You want to come over here, Miss Jillian?
Here, you
Okay.
hold
So,
that.
okay, so one of the cool things we do at school events, and we got to do it outdoors, is that we put liquid nitrogen down into a bucket. Now this gives a better show, a better look at how more liquid nitrogen interacts with water.
Okay.
So if you don't mind, I'm going to pick up the water and put it in the liquid
Let's
nitrogen.
do it. I'll hold the mic. Yeah. There we go.
Should we be backing it up?
yeah.
Like,
Eric's like,
how
you might
far?
wanna
Yeah.
back up.
Okay, how far? Back here?
Go for it.
Okay.
All right.
So I got water in here.
Yeah.
We've got liquid nitrogen down here. Okay, Ryan, take a step back.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
We got Chef Terry screaming over here.
I think we're
we're gonna check on Chef Terry. The golden retriever puppies are like, what is going on?
So,
That's incredible.
so what we just saw is we saw the effects, and I am so sorry I got you all ready.
Oh
That's
no,
all
that's
right.
fine. That was great.
So, and there's nothing better than to have a little bit of ice cream
Oh, bless you.
after a big show.
Thank you.
Oh
Yeah.
my gosh.
If people want to come to Sub-Zero, where can they find you for some of this delicious nitrogen ice
So
cream?
there are 3 locations here in Central Indiana. One of the best stores in the company is located on Mass Avenue
Yeah.
in downtown
That's
Indianapolis.
Eric's, right?
Yep. One of the up top stores is located in Carmel, Indiana, on Main Street by the Monon, and then Eric has the one is also inside the Castleton Square Mall.
Oh my gosh.
You
so
okay?
much fun.
Having a laughing attack at Chef Terry.
He's still recovering. He's still recovering.
Chef Terry's making me laugh so much.
We're having a lot of fun out here. Guys,
look
John,
like a
Eric.
drowned rat.
No, you look beautiful. Guys, thank you so much. This delicious ice cream. Go check it out. Sub-Zero, Carmel, Mass Ave. Go find them. Enjoy those treats.
This is
Bye-bye.
amazing.
Thank you for having us,
Thank you
guys.
to
We
the Science
really
guys.
appreciate
Yeah,
it.
you bet.
You guys
You're
are
awesome.
awesome.
Coming up, we're going to be talking to you about Indy Goldens. It's this group of golden retriever.
Doggy is nothing if he don't